In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each field means, and how to save a clean, consistent product record that your sales and operations teams can trust. First, sign in to Zoho CRM and land on the home page. From there, open the Products module. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the main navigation bar or the sidebar. This module is where all your items, services, and SKUs live. Once you're in Products, click the option to create a new product. It might be labeled Create Product or simply New, and it opens a form that will complete step by step. Start with Product Owner. This assigns responsibility for the record to a specific user. Choose the person or team member who will manage updates, pricing changes, and stock details. Clear ownership helps with reporting and follow-ups. Next is Product Code. Treat this as your unique identifier, like an SKU. Keep it consistent with your company's naming format. Avoid duplicates and use a pattern that's easy to search, such as a short category prefix followed by a number. You'll see a toggle or checkbox for Product Active. Turn this on if the item is ready to sell. If you're still finalizing pricing or awaiting stock, leave it inactive so it doesn't appear in quotes and deals prematurely. For a vendor name, pick the supplier associated with this product. Linking the correct vendor helps with purchasing and ensures your team can trace where the item is sourced. Choose a product category to group similar products together. Categories power filters and reports, making it easier to analyze performance across lines or families of offerings. Enter the unit price, which is your base selling price. Make sure you're in the right currency and that it matches your standard price list. Taxes and discounts are typically handled elsewhere in Zoho CRM, so focus on the baseline value here. Add the commission rate if your organization tracks sales commissions on product level. This is usually a percentage and can be left blank if not applicable. In stock information and description, capture the operational details. Add quantities, reorder thresholds, and any relevant notes such as dimensions, variants, or key features. A clear, descriptive summary reduces back and forth for your sales team and helps ensure accurate quotes. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be taken back to the product record where you can review the details and make quick edits if needed. That's it. Your product is now created in Zoho CRM, complete with ownership, pricing, vendor linkage, and the essential